Good morning, sojourners. Welcome again to my channel, and to my new subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by and viewing my videos. I just want to let you know how much I appreciate your support. Now today I am in my greenhouse. I have moved all of my delicate plants inside. In another video, I will be giving you an update of my backyard garden. Today I just want to share something with you. Now, sojourners, I don't waste my banana peels. Whenever I eat a banana, I always cut the peel, cut it up into small pieces, as you will see later in this video, and I place it in a bottle, pour some water on it, put it in a dark place like under my cupboard for a few days, and then I use it to fertilize my plants, because the banana has a lot of potassium and the plants need that too. So here you can see is a bottle with some banana peel soaked in water, and this has been under my cupboard from last week, so it has been there for a few days. So here we go. So once again, sojourners, thank you all for viewing. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe before you leave and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post other videos. Bye.